Remove the screws and remove the top cover of the machine. Remove the screws and remove the middle body of the machine.
Remove the screws holding the engraving platform. Take out the engraving platform. Take away the bottom frame. Turn the middle body to the back. Attach the risers according to the holes. You can increase the risers according to the height of the items to be engraved. Turn the machine back to the front. Put it into the engraving platform. Plug in the YRR motor cable. Put the YRR into the machine. Plug in the YRR motor cable to connect the machine. Plug in the machine's power cord and USB cable. Install the end cap PCB. Start the machine. Measure the circumference of the object to be engraved, required for setting the parameters later on. Place the engraved object on the YRR. Adjust the focus of the laser module. Note, the best engraving result is achieved when the focus bar is just in contact with the object to be focused on. The air nozzle should be at the highest point of the object to be engraved.